Isn't this great? Oh yeah. This looks absolutely delicious, am I right? Let me put maggots on your face! Oh, that smells so bad. Oh my god! Intern, no! Honestly, I think it's your best stuff yet. Like, it looks really good. So the first thing we're gonna need is some liquid latex. We really don't need a lot for this, so I'm just gonna fill my cap up. Ooh, baby, that's some good latex. And it looked like they just took a regular brush and used the back of it. Boopity boop. They said about 1 inch long. They didn't say whether to put it on parchment paper or something it won't stick to. I'm just using my regular paper background I always use. I'm gonna go ahead and let these dry and then start rolling them up, I guess.
A few inches later.
Okay, this guy's starting to dry. Oh, it kind of worked. They're really thin. I don't know if it's quite gonna make it look like a worm. I think maggots are a little bit thicker than that. I'll let these finish drying and see how they turn out. They're a little bit more dry. Yeah, that's looking pretty disgusting. I think they'll work. All we gotta do is roll them up into a little silicone worm guy. Boom, another one down. Okay, so I cut all of them in half and I kind of put them together. Ooh, that definitely looks like a bunch of maggots now. This is gonna work perfect for our next craft. Okay guys, so we've actually done a very similar makeup look to this. We used this prosthetic from Spirit Halloween and we actually made it into a short and you guys absolutely loved it. It got 12 million views. So we're gonna show you how to make this at home using nothing but scar wax, some Vaseline, and maybe a little bit of fake blood, because fake blood never hurt anyone. First things first, we're gonna need to get all your hair out of the way because we don't want all the makeup getting in your hair. And also you don't need these anymore. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put your hair up. Look at that face, isn't that beautiful? So the first thing we're gonna do is apply some scar wax. Just get a big old glob of scar wax. Oh yeah, just apply it straight onto your face. Isn't this great? Oh yeah. Scar wax is such a versatile Halloween makeup tool. You can really do a lot with it. I'm still not proficient in this craft. I'm still working on scar wax techniques. It doesn't want to go to his face, but it's okay. So we're gonna go ahead and grab a little bit of Vaseline and just spread it on out. I'm pretty sure that scar wax is mostly Vaseline. Scar wax is half Vaseline, it looks like. If you just put Vaseline in the scar wax, it just like dilutes it. It makes it real malleable. Hey, stop smiling. I think that's what's happening here, and there's no smiling allowed here. Hey, stop frowning. No frowning either. Give me your most neutral face. Stop, intern. You're looking too sexy, intern. Okay, now that we got the intern's face all smoothed out, it looks so natural, intern. I told the intern not to talk because every time he even smiles, oh, he's starting to smile. You can see the wax kind of messing up right here. You can't even smile, intern. You gotta stay as still as possible. Okay, I believe in you. Now we're gonna go and get ourselves a paintbrush handle, and we're just gonna poke the little holes in. There we go. I'm gonna stick it in some petroleum jelly. That way it doesn't stick to it. Oh, yes. Wow, that's actually looking pretty creepy so far. Oh, that was a deep one. Mmm, yummy. This looks absolutely delicious, am I right? It looks like an Eggo waffle. You know what goes really good on Eggo waffles, guys? Lingonberry jam. That's right, we're adding some fake blood. Just going in and just a little bit of that. Just fix that up a little bit. Okay, now back to the jam. Fill this bad boy up with some lingonberry jam. Okay guys, now that's looking pretty good. I think I should have gone in with some like finishing powder maybe. I might be able to save this. Let me put just a little bit on just to help blend it in a little bit. Oh no, I got fake blood on the finishing powder. This was a bad idea. I changed my mind. Backspace, undo. Where's the undo button? And our final step is to add the maggots from the last craft. Don't these maggots look absolutely appetizing, intern? Let me put maggots on your face. Let me put maggots on your face. Well guys, what do you think? Did we do a good job? How does it look compared to the Spirit Halloween version? I definitely think it looks pretty gross. Maybe we could add a little bit of green like I did in the last one. Just add the tiniest amount of green. Intern, you really gotta learn to take care of yourself, buddy. Ooh, you know what else we could do? We could add some bruising on the sides, right here, all around the wound. There we go. Once you blend it, look how much better that looks already. Okay, yeah, that's looking pretty good. Add just maybe a smidge more of lingonberry jam. Intern, I think this looks absolutely fantastic. And you know what? I think this deserves to be the thumbnail. Okay, intern, so this is how it turned out. I definitely think the original prosthetic that we did looks a lot better. Kind of looks like little bean sprouts are coming out of your face. Pretty cute. Do you think this should be your everyday look? Okay, intern, I'll go ahead and remove it for you then. Okay, and here we go. Oh, that just... Wow, that just completely fell off.
Yeah, it's right here in my hands.
Oh.
I'm so glad I can actually talk now.
Do you want to keep this?
No, that's gross. That looks like throw up.
Well, that's all she wrote, guys. On to the next one, I guess.
I'll eat it for $5. I'll take a bite for $5.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, spit that out. Spit that. Get out of there. Get out of there. Okay, that was gross.
I'm $5 richer.
Okay, guys, so for this one, we're gonna be trying to recreate this makeup look. This girl just got stabbed in the face with a throwing card. But guys, it's not even real. It's all special effects. So I'm gonna have to try and figure out how the heck they did this. So the first thing I'm gonna have to do is prepare the card. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some parchment paper, my hot glue gun, and some playing cards. They used the queen, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the king. Now, it looks like they just sort of cut the card in half so that his little head was just peeking out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Boopity boop. Do some real quick surgery. Oh yes. We're gonna go ahead and save this part for later. And I'm just gonna make a nice straight line of hot glue. Then I'm gonna grab some vice grips and just clamp it onto the card just like that. That way, it'll just stay right on the hot glue. He's like, oh man, I'm stuck in the hot glue. Okay, now that it's dry, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the vise very carefully. There we go. It is standing up by itself. And now we have a perfect little hot glue base. Now let's go stick it on someone's face. Okay, hidden camera guy, are you ready to become a king?
Let's do it.
We're just gonna stick this bad boy to your face using some spirit gum. Apply it all over the bottom of the glue. Just kidding, you don't want to eat that. Oh, that smells so bad, actually. I got a whiff of it and it smells awful. Now we're just gonna carefully apply it to your face, hidden camera guy. It shouldn't hurt at all.
Stings a little bit.
Really, I didn't feel a thing. It looks like it's sticking out just a little bit on the bottom, so I'm gonna trim it just a little bit. It goes right on there. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Just stick that right on your face. Once that's dry, I'm gonna go ahead and take some scar wax. Oh, that is so malleable. Apparently you can get scar wax to stop sticking to your fingers if you just put a little Vaseline on there. Oh yeah, it's nice and lubed up. I'm just gonna take it and prepare it to get stuck onto your face, hidden camera guy. Move your head that way. Gonna get just a little bit of petroleum jelly, you know, smack that right on there. Smooth it out. Oh God, close your eye, just close your eye. It like slipped down your face. Oh, it's because your mouth was open before. Okay, open your mouth. Oh, there we go. You just gotta keep your mouth open like that for the rest of this. This does not want to stick, guys. Okay, we're looking really good. I blended it in as much as I truly can. So now we're gonna go ahead and add the lingonberry jam, you know, to really top it off.
So tasty.
Hey, keep your mouth open. I'm a professional VFX makeup artist, okay? Okay, yeah, that's looking pretty good. What do you guys think? So now this has to somehow go inside your mouth. It looks like maybe if I cut it a little bit, it'll fit easier. Just shove that right in your mouth. Oh, it's just a little bit crooked. Dang, this actually, for a second, it looks pretty good. Honestly, all things considered, I think I did a pretty good job. What do you think, intern?
Me? I think it's a solid 5. I just don't like the way the scar wax look.
I'm gonna need a little more practice with scar wax for sure. Overall, it's pretty fantastic. Do you think this is gonna be your everyday look, Trevor? Mm-hmm. Okay, so now we have to try and remove this. I feel like it's already very removed. Ooh, baby. Wow, and that's what it looked like underneath. She's all removed. Okay guys, so for this one, we're gonna be trying to put a candy cane through someone's face. Here's our candy cane. Now I'm gonna have to carefully cut it in half. I'm just gonna have to carefully break it. There we go. Snapped right in half. I'm gonna leave the plastic on, that way it kind of stays together a little better, because it's already kind of chipping apart. I'm just gonna grab my hot glue gun and make 2 big globs of hot glue. Now I have to try and vise these bad boys in without cracking them. Same thing with the other one. And when you're done, it should look a little something like this. Like you're trying to do some weird candy cane surgery, I guess. Then I'm gonna go ahead and let the hot glue cool down. Okay, guys, let's see if I messed up. You guys ready? Oh, I crushed it a little bit with the vise, but also I just crushed it. It works. These are absolutely gonna work fantastic. Now let's go glue this to someone's face. Okay, so we're gonna grab our candy cane and some spirit gum and just stick it right on the candy cane.
Oh, that smells like rubbing alcohol.
It basically is. Stick that right on your face in turn. Oh no, it's already falling. I think this already might be a little too heavy for your face.
Nothing wants to stick to my face today.
Okay, get the glue nice and tacky. Stick it right onto your face. Yeah, just go ahead and hold that for me. I'm gonna go and get some scar wax. Scar wax it right onto your face. Then we're gonna go ahead and add some finishing powder. I'm gonna be honest here, guys. I don't think this looks very good. I think I messed up. Just keep your head like this, intern. It's the perfect angle.
Great for my neck.
Then we're gonna add your favorite intern, lingonberry jam.
Mmm, yummy.
I don't know why you guys like this lingonberry jam so much. I'm gonna try some of this lingonberry jam to see what the rage is all about. I see what you mean, guys. This is a great lingonberry jam. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna take another candy cane and just break that bad boy, shove it right in the intern's mouth. Oh my God! Intern, no! What do you guys think? Do you think it turned out pretty good? What do you think? Do you think it turned out pretty good?
Like a 2 out of 10.
Yeah, I'd say this probably isn't my best work.
I say this one doesn't work.
I tried my best, okay? I need to get better at blending. If any of you guys know any blending techniques to blend in scar wax, let me know. But this is the best I could do. Okay, intern, you did a great job. Thank you so much for standing still. Now it's time to remove this bad boy. Wow, that just came right off. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna be using the Spirit Halloween Zipper Face VFX makeup kit. I saw this on TikTok, and I was like, I've totally kind of done this before, but I didn't know that Spirit Halloween made a version, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this one. It's kind of funny because it comes with scab blood, spirit gum, and makeup remover. I basically have all this stuff already, so I'm not gonna waste opening it. I'm just gonna use my own. It kind of looks like a little container of honey. Okay, so we grab our zipper, and we're just gonna unzip that bad boy. Let's see, do we do it like this? Do we do it like this? I think like this is the move. Oh, we could always do it like this. Yeah, I just gotta attach the zipper to my face like that. But first I'm gonna draw my outline. I'm even gonna use the little provided brush that they gave me. Guys, I am a master crafter. I can figure out some Spirit Halloween makeup. I think it just starts out. I have to use my left hand for this. Okay, so we're just gonna go down. I love this little palette that they gave me. It's absolutely great. I'm really excited to zip my face up. Okay, guys, I think I got the general zipper shape. That looks pretty good. Now I have to start filling this line in. Just go in with a little bit of black. I'm also gonna add some of this bloody scab. I don't even have to tell you guys what this looks like, because you know, it looks like lingonberry jam, in case you guys forgot. Yes, just get it all in my eye. I'm not even gonna open my eye for the rest of this video. Then I'm gonna grab a little makeup remover and clean it up a little bit. There we go, it's looking good. Then we're gonna grab some of our spirit gum and carefully apply it to the border where we're gonna put the zipper. Oh, I feel like this is gonna burn my eye, and it's gonna be great. It's already burning my eye. I love this. I've lost all depth perception now. Now we're just gonna grab our zipper, carefully put it right on there. Okay, just gonna go ahead and apply some more lingonberry jam to my forehead. That's the best place for lingonberry jam, in all honesty. I don't know why you would want to put it anywhere else. And there we go, I'm all done. I'm gonna try and attempt to open up my eye now. I can open up my eye! I actually did it right. I'm gonna go ahead and put down my hair now, and it's gonna get all in my hair, but the makeup is gonna look absolutely fantastic, and I'm super excited to see it. Oh yes, fixing my hair, don't mind me. Okay guys, I'm done with my makeup. What do you think?
Honestly, I think it's your best stuff yet. Like, it looks really good. You look cool.
You guys think I look cool?
Yeah, like you belong in the band Kiss. Like that cool.
Do you guys think that this one was a success?
Your best one today.
Let me know what you guys think down in the comments down below. Okay guys, it was fun having this on, and now it's time to remove it. Oh! If you guys like this video, you guys want to watch me try even more special effects makeup, I actually have an entire playlist you can check out right here. These makeup wipes really take off lingonberry jam. If you guys are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys again next Saturday. Peace, love, and Wi-Fi. Awkward ending. Okay, bye. Ah!